Welcome back to Under Oath.
Hello.
I'm attorney Jeff Kaufman, your host with the most, James John, good friend, comedian, influencer.
Stop it.
If you recognize James, you'll recognize him from This Is My Dole Whip at Disney World.
No, it's called Theme Park Comedians, and you already are following, I hope. No,
Yeah.
I get to go to Disney like you. You love Disney. You
Wait,
work-
no. You
Yeah.
don't get to go to Disney like
I
me
do.
because now people say, would you like to go on my pontoon?
They do say that, yes. He's referring to the fact that someone invited me on Disney.
And his co-host.
And my co-host, Mr. Devin Siebold.
Devin Siebold.
Yes.
Ha, ha, ha.
In the Seven Seas Lagoon, where you can take the ferry back and forth. We had a private pontoon boat ride so we could see the 4th of July fireworks.
When I got married
Yes.
many years ago,
Yeah.
I thought I was going to do something cool.
Like,
I had a Disney wedding.
beautiful.
So I was going
Gorgeous.
to get my invitations. I thought I was going to be cool and ship them out from Celebration, and they would have the Celebration stamp on.
Oh, the Disney community.
Yes.
Okay, gotcha. No.
As I drove out there to discover that I gave them the mail and everything else, and then I got an invitation back to myself because we were doing a test one.
Yeah.
It was Kissimmee.
Yeah. People don't know that, by the way.
Yeah, Celebration is actually not a city. And
No.
They call it Celebration, but there wasn't a seal back then. There might be one now. So please don't come to me and say this because I mailed it at the post office at Celebration.
Yeah.
And if you're going to go, well, that doesn't exist anymore. I don't care.
Yeah. Celebration is in Kissimmee.
Yes.
Yeah.
And but they stamped it Kissimmee.
Yeah.
And everyone goes, or Kissimmee for those who don't know.
Kissimmee. For all you Northerners. that
For all
come
you
down here.
Italians, Kissimmee.
So we got a really good Legally Screwed today. This is very, very good.
Very good.
I'm going to read you the title
All right,
of
I'm
this.
tired of you people telling me this isn't the way it works in my state. It's not worldwide.
No.
We're giving some generic information.
Yes.
If you want perfect legal advice and you have screwed up the way he's going to tell me somebody screwed up, contact a lawyer.
I happen to know one. Okay.
Too many.
The insurance company found my vacation photos. Now they're denying my claim.
Okay.
Okay, let me tell you what it is, though, first. I know you got an answer. I injured my back in a car accident, but months later, took a family vacation. Now, the insurance company says pictures of me smiling by the beach prove that I'm not hurt. Can social media really destroy a personal injury case?
If you work for an insurance company, you needed the money. Let's just say that. You're not on the side of angels. You're not. People paid money to say if they got hurt, you'd pay them.
Mm-hmm.
Now, when your goal is to pay out less, then you're not on the side of angels. You know you're not. I know because I've done this for 30 years. I've seen people hurt very badly, and nothing gets a defense attorney more excited than the opportunity to go into somebody's social media. They'll get private investigators. They'll hire people. Oh, we saw him pick up a bucket. He must not be hurt.
Mm-hmm.
I've seen situations where a client was over-exaggerating his injury. It doesn't happen a lot,
Yeah.
but it does happen sometimes.
Okay.
But the idea of the insurance company is really simple. Don't pay out.
That's their goal.
Take a long time, pay out less,
Mm-hmm.
and unless they got us dead to rights, don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Now, they'll send out the $10,000 check pretty quick when that's all they're responsible for because they go, well, it's going to cost too much.
Gotcha.
But basically, if they can save $100, they're going to do it. And people go, what's $100? Well, $100 is meaningless on a certain level. But when you times it by 20,000 cases
Yeah.
or 200,000 or 2 million cases,
Mm-hmm.
it's a lot of money.
Correct.
And the more they keep, the more the company's worth.
Gotcha.
So that's what insurance companies are. They're just investment companies. And they will use any picture. That's why I tell clients all the time, do stop posting on social media. Because the first thing I get from them, and this is pay attention right now. If you've been in an injury, know that the insurance company is going to request all the information you have posted on your Facebook since the injury and before the injury, because they're going to say, oh, well, he wasn't that active beforehand.
Okay.
They're going to use your life as a weapon against you.
Mm.
I had one, oh, you're smiling in this picture.
Smiling.
Now, you have to understand a jury, when they hear that, they go, oh, he's smiling.
Really?
Yeah.
They buy it.
They buy it. And you have to make it very clear. And now I'm arguing stuff that I don't want to argue.
Mm-hmm.
I want to argue about the injury. I want to argue about what happened. Their job is to cloud it.
Distraction.
They're going to cloud everything.
Okay.
Okay. If you're not doing anything, oh, are you intentionally not doing anything? they're going to take the argument and flip it either way.
No matter what you do.
Oh, you're happy here. Oh, are you faking in this picture?
Mm.
I know a lot of people in insurance, and they are good people. They just happen to be in a terrible job.
Yes.
And I know because my first job out of law school was working for a bank. And my job was to monitor foreclosures. And I didn't know much about foreclosures. I just know I shipped the file. I did these things.
Yeah.
I didn't think to myself, I'm throwing people out of their homes.
You didn't think about it in that way. You were like.
And after a year, I had cleaned up their division. I had done great things. And then it hit me what I was doing for a living. Wait a minute. I'm part of a system that throws people out of their house. Now, there's justifications. Well, they're not paying. Blah, 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 blah. But I'm still the focal point. I'm still the conduit to getting people kicked out of their homes. And I was getting paid well.
I bet.
Once I realized I was throwing people out of their homes, I took a job at the public defender's office the next week. So I went from high-end banking down to representing people who couldn't afford criminal defense.
Got you.
And I don't call it penance, but it was about 2 years. I worked trying cases for people who couldn't afford an attorney, and I got paid nothing.
I was going to say,
they don't
make any
money. The pay
was
awful, and I didn't care.
Absolutely.
And I'm not saying if you work for an insurance company, you're a villain, but I can tell you this. You're doing it for the money.
Oh, yeah.
You're not doing it because you're going, know what? Insurance companies need me. It's so important for me to help society out by fighting for the insurance companies.
Yeah.
You can't even say that with a straight face.
No, you can't.
You took the money. Just say that. I took the money. It's a job.
Yeah.
You could justify it all you want, but you took the money.
Yeah.
And that's what it's about. And this little crap nonsense about looking at somebody's Facebook page to see if they're smiling or not. And I've been in trials. Oh, you're smiling in this picture, you're smiling in this picture. You're not on a horse. You're in a beach chair.
Yeah.
Smiling. With a drink in your hand. Oh, obviously your back's not hurting now. It's BS. And it's nonsense, and it's a distraction. And if you're ever on a jury and you watch somebody do that, just remember what I'm saying. You don't know why they're doing it, but you know now.
Yep.
So be on the side of angels next time.
I love the fact that you point out that an insurance company is not there for protection. Their base of operation is basically we're investment companies.
Yeah. What if I told you this? You know how we always say that the U.S. debt is around $32 to $35 trillion?
Yeah.
That's about the same amount insurance companies have invested in markets worldwide.
Get the heck out.
Yeah. They have more money than our debt.
Goodness.
Yes. So anytime you want to go after Elon, don't go after them. Elon ain't the problem.
So basically what happens is when they go to court with a lawyer like you, because you fight insurance companies. You don't fight companies. You fight insurance companies.
I fight insurance companies. Yeah. That's who I'm fighting. I'm not fighting the person who's been in the accident. Anytime you're in a trial and there's a trial over an accident, it's not the person who hit the guy. Yeah. He's there because you have to file against him.
Yeah.
It's the insurance company who doesn't want to pay.
Yes.
So it's not the guy going, oh, take the money. They have him sitting there as, let's call it the fake.
It's a prop.
It's a fake.
Yeah.
It's a shell game.
Yeah.
You put this guy out in front who looks like, he lives in a mobile home. And there's nothing wrong with that.
Yes.
But we know the guy living in the mobile home doesn't have $1 million to pay for the accident.
No, he doesn't.
But the insurance company that he paid goes, well, we're not paying. We're going to stick you out in front, and they're going to feel bad for you. Every trial is not against the person sitting in that chair. He's not paying. You know why? Because I can't get money from him.
No.
The money that needs to go to the client to pay for $400,000 in medicals is not going to come from him. It's going to come from the $23 to $35 trillion company.
Yes. Good Lord.
But don't let yourself get snowed by that because that's what you think. And the billboards don't help.
No.
The billboards don't help because, when you say, I got him $1 million, I got him this, at the bottom it says very clearly, results not typical.
No.
Your average client is hurt to the tune of about $33,000.
Yes.
So if he gets 33, that's on average what he gets.
Yeah.
And you go to every firm and you ask them, what is the average settlement? And the average settlement probably is somewhere between 30 and 40,000. It's not $1 million. It's not 10 million. It's not 50 million. That's the number. And
And that's not a lot of money nowadays.
It is a lot of money for somebody who hasn't worked for 2 or 3 months because of an accident.
Got you.
It will cover their health care and it'll get them back on their feet again. Understand this. These people didn't ask to be in an accident.
No, they didn't.
Now, are some people confused that this might be like winning the lottery when they get hit? Yes, that's what happens. And you have to tell your client, this is what it looks like.
Yeah.
And it's normally a multiple of the medicals. So when you get $1 million, it's not because you had 10,000 medicals and you got 100 times your medicals. No, you normally get between, I guess, on average, between 3 and 5 times your medicals. So if your total medical costs are $50,000 and there's $1 million policy, it's not unusual to be able to get, let's say, between $150,000 and $200,000.
Makes sense.
There are lawyers out there right now go, well, I could get you more than that. Shut up. Just shut up. Everything's dependent on the situation.
Correct.
Things go in like they think about how badly was the car damaged. That comes into two. Like if the car has no damage and you have $200,000, they're going to go, come on, these aren't real medicals. Now, if the car is totaled, they go, okay, the car got totaled as a serious accident.
Yes.
So there are other variables that allow you to get different amounts for your clients.
That makes sense.
And that's the thing. I work for my clients. I don't work for myself.
No.
If my clients don't hire me and I don't take care of them, I don't get paid.
That's right.
And I don't pay the 25 people who are running around here working their ass off for everybody. So that's just the way that works.